How to sell the market peak for Bitcoin. Today, I will give you few strategies with different indicator for you to sell at the peak. Welcome to One Channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And we don't do any promotion for the trade. We don't recommend any trade. We only for education purpose. So now we look at one website called Look Into Bitcoin. So this is basically a 200-week moving average heat map. Okay. So what happened is you can see the color. When we are around purple, basically we are at the market cycle bottom. When we are at the peak, basically is in the red color. Okay. So where are we now? We are in the blue. We just finished the market bottom. Basically, we just finished the purple line here. Okay. This line basically is the moving average 200. Moving average 200. Basically, when Bitcoin around moving average 200, this is the bottom. Okay. So you can see the first cycle when they hit the market, when they hit this moving average bottom, then come up. And then they have the red. This is the top. And the next is also the market bottom. They have the blue dot here. So it's a good timing to buy. Same thing happened. What happened is this cycle, and we compare from the first cycle. The first cycle, you can see so many red dot here. We have total like this cycle, right? 217, 213. Basically, we have four dot here. The next one, again, we create another top. This is also 4 dot. So total, we have 8 red dot here. Okay. The next cycle, we have 3 red dots here. Okay. And our first cycle, what is interesting is we don't even have any red here. So something goes wrong here. Okay. Basically, we have 2 times have red, 1 time no red. So this time we will go same as last time because it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. The scale is like we finish a yellow, or we'll go back to the red line. Okay, this is something very interesting. I will also do another video to study with you. But in my previous video, I also mentioned the RSI. So I will show in the end of this video. I will show later this video. So right now, what happened now? We are in the blue dot. So we are quite far away from the peak yet. We are not even at the green yet. So at least we need to see the green we are getting closer to the peak, right? So we are quite safe to hold the stock this moment. If you're a long-term trader, this video is for long-term trader. Okay, the next video I want to show you. We go back to trading field. This is Bitcoin USD monthly chart. I want to show you the RSI. The RSI in my previous video, I mentioned you for each time the peak, the RSI is getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, what does it mean? It means the momentum is getting less and less and less. What does it mean? It still go up so much. What are you talking about? But if you look at the percentage, basically, if you measure from the bottom to the peak, from the bottom to the peak, from the bottom to the peak, basically, we're getting less and less and less. Okay, that is showing for RSI effect. So when you see this line, the RSI monthly chart, when they're getting closer to this blue line, this is one of our signal. Hey, you need to pay very close attention to the peak. Maybe it's good time to reduce the stock. Okay, when we're getting close, we are still far from that. So we are still safe for long-term trader. Another thing I want you to look at is the ymchannel. Okay, this one can tell you the institution holding. Remember, we say when we're looking at the coins, when we're looking at the stock, we need to look at 2 things. One is the trend. The second is look at the fund movement. So ymchannel can tell you the fund movement. So now we take a look. What happened is each peak, you can see the purple line basically would turn the direction from upward to downward each single time. For example, this one, you can see from upward, they have a sharp peak and they're coming downward. Okay, just like a mountain. This one, about 217, same. Go upward and then they turn downward. And how about here? Same thing happened here. Basically, they turn downward here. Okay, on the second peak. Okay, so what happened now? We are still going upward. So we're still far from that stage. But I want to give you the strategy. If you look at monthly chart, when you subscribe to my indicator, look at ymchannel. This one can tell you the institution holding, okay? When the moving average of this red bar, which is the purple line, is the moving average of the red bar going downward, then maybe can tell you, hey, this is one of our sell signal. Okay, if we combine with RSI and this indicator, you can see exactly what happened. When they hit this blue line, the cheapest also turning downward. When they hit this blue line, the institutions tends to sell. When they hit this blue line, they sell. Okay, so this is a very good indicator. Maybe you will sell here already. Okay, if you just use RSI. But me, I would like to do a double confirmation, even triple confirmation with other indicator. For example, I will use YM cheapest. Okay, do we have the turning downward signal? No. So we hold it. You can reduce, but I will hold it until they have a turning downward signal. Okay, so this is one of the way. Another way to look at the fund is YM big buy. YM big buy is different. YM cheapest is to tell you the institution holding. YM big buy is only targeting the big volume trade, and this is a very good indicator. It's not just for the institution, also can tell you what is the movement for the big volume trade. You can see here. Every time when we have the you see, can we show you here? Basically, every time when we have better not to go into law, but every time when we have a red, when we have a green, green is the more buy than sell for big volume trade. Big volume trade, buy to sell. Okay, more buy than sell. When we have a more sell to buy, this is a trouble coming. You can see right away. So basically, you can use this indicator, you can use this RSI, you can use this as a confirmation. Is it clear? Okay, so far we are not yet red, so we are still safe. Okay, another thing I mentioned, so this is the fund movement. You can check the fund movement to tell this is the peak or this is not the peak. The next thing I want to show you is the trend. Okay, so they have few different methods to double confirm this is a peak because you don't want to sell the halfway. We are still far from the peak, okay? But look at the YM Club Fast. This is monthly chart, so I use YM Club Fast to catch the peak, okay? When we have this signal happen, you can also double check with YM Club Fast. You can see what happened is they drop below, they close below the red line. They close below the red line, and then they even change the direction afterward. They change the direction afterward. They close below, and they change direction. Okay, so this is the wait, this is the this is a very fast indicator to tell you what's going on with the trend from upward to downward. Okay, from upward, and then when they change the direction, and then the stock or the coins go under this line, basically to tell you, hey, this is a trend reversal. This is a very easy indicator. By just looking at this line, you can tell this is a trend reversal. For example, here. Okay, here. Okay, you can see they never go above the red again. They never go above the red again. Okay, so this is a way to few different indicator to tell you, hey, this is the peak. First, you're not buying more. Second, you should reduce or you should clear, you should sell all. Okay, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here just to teach you more different ways how to observe this is the peak because so many people buying at the peak. I know so many people, they buy and why? Because what does it mean oversold? Overbought, right? Overbought mean like even the random people, even cleaning lady, even your mother, your grandmom calling you to tell you to buy Bitcoin. This one probably is one of the bubble signal. Okay, so this is a sharing today. If you like this kind of video, like, subscribe, share with your friend. And if you want to get this indicator, you can also subscribe it in the link in the description. And I see you in the next video. Everyone have a happy weekend. I see you next time. Bye.